without thinking about it, na parang kinabukasan sasabihin natin, ay, sayang hindi ko ginawa yung ganung bagay, sayang hindi ko ginawa yung best ko. So, yun po yung time, and hinasok namin yung storya namin dun sa time kasi tapos na siya technically.
Right.
Pero we tried to incorporate our story to make it story ng SB19 talaga. So,
Right.
yun.
That's deep. That's beautiful. Because yun yung maganda sa SB19, hindi lang siya all about commercial success, right? It's about kung ano yung may impart nyo sa listeners ninyo. And we are very proud of y'all for that. Having said that, gusto ko lang tanungin, after all the success na nakamit nyo na, is there anything else that you wish for?
Opo, walang
Bukod
humpay.
bukod sa day 2 na mas-sold out.
Walang humpay sa paggusto talaga
Uh-huh.
Yun po talaga yung SB19 wala talagang humpay sa paggustuhin. For sure, yung 18 talagang gusto pa nila ma-reach namin yung higher heights talaga na talagang ginugo ng SB19. Yun nakikita ko nag-open na yung doors sa dami ng P-pop groups na nag-a-appear. Talagang nakikita na yung nag-chart yung mga Filipino music, andyan yung iba't ibang artist talaga na ginagawa rin yung best nila para ipakilala kung sino yung mga Pinoy. So, ayun po, marami kaming gusto ipagpasalamat, pero right now, siguro, yun lang muna. Yung makapag-share ng music all over the world, that's already a blessing.
Yes, sir. And we could, associate your success with this incredible support crew we like to call 18, right?
Yes,
So,
yes,
kausapin ninyo sila. Please extend to them your utmost gratitude. Ano ba yung gusto nyong ipagpasalamat sa kanila at ano yung mensahe nyo sa lahat ng 18? Kanina umuulan dito, by the way.
Kaya nga
And they stuck around.
Gusto lang po namin sabihin on behalf of SB19, just want to say we are gonna be forever be grateful sa lahat ng support and sa love na na-receive namin throughout our career. And cliche siya, minsan sinasabi namin kasi thank you so much, pero never ending yung pagiging pasasalamat namin sa kanila kasi sila naman yung pinakaunang rason kung bakit nandito kami ngayon other than our families. But in reality, sila talaga yung nagpo-push sa amin kaya bakit nakapag-chart yung kanta namin. And we've been here for like almost 7 years, and then they are still here, and that's why we're just so grateful and thankful. And from the bottom of our hearts, hindi namin talaga ma-explain yung pagiging sobrang laki ng pasasalamat namin sa kanila. That's why maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We just want to say that we love you guys so much. I hope na magstay tayo. We hope we stay stronger than ever. There's gonna be a lot of struggles ahead. Madaming walls, madaming obstacles na kailangan natin lagpasan in the future. But I believe na when we're together, kaya natin lagpasan yan.
Kasama na si JC.
18.
Yes, sir. Very well spoken. Maraming salamat.
Spokesperson po ako talaga.
Yes. Anyone else would like to add? Meron bang gusto
Hindi,
mag-add?
gusto ko isagot ni Ken. Sobrang ako. Masaya ako. Galing. Sobra.
Yes, sir.
Lupit.
Yes, sir. Kasi pag soft-spoken at matipid sa salita yung tao, pag finally nag-open up, iba yung impact.
Yes.
Solid. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Grabe yan mag-open.
Pero circling back to the 18, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo, guys.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your incredible support sa P-pop, sa SB19, sa Wish, sa OPM in general, and to the 18 na mga nakikinig ngayon on the road. If you're not driving, you could clap your hands too for yourselves. Maraming salamat. We are gonna keep you company amidst this Wednesday night rush hour traffic with this sentimental track courtesy of SB19, track entitled Time on Wish 1075.